Tom is an engineer, and he's looking for a pump to integrate in his latest construction project. After completing his research on the internet, he finds that diaphragm technology is suitable for his requirements. Tom knows all about the advantages, but he also has some doubts. He understands diaphragm pumps as simple, analog components, and changes mean additional work. Tom remembers seeing the term digital customization on the KNF website during his research. Tom thinks, sounds good, but what does that mean? KNF uses the term digital customization to label its brushless DC motors that are unique in their flexibility to work with customer-specific parameter settings. And these motors are really unique in the sense that KNF develops and produces them in-house, or in an exclusive development partnership with a leading motor manufacturer. In summary, digital customization offers many advantages, such as individually adjustable features like rotational speed control characteristics, rotational speed control and protection of the motor against overheating. Customers can even adjust these features themselves at any time. Some important functions are integrated into every motor as a standard, such as the application-specific current limit or the retrieval of real-time data and error messages. Tom feels like a king now. Digital customization gives him all the flexibility he needs for his development project. He is particularly interested in an application-specific current limit and customized rotational speed control, as well as communication with the pump. Tom is driving in his electric car. Suddenly, the charge state indicator starts flashing. If the route remains flat, the battery charge is just enough to reach the next charging station. But Tom knows that there are steep hills ahead, so he must change his driving behavior to make sure that he stays well below his previous average consumption. This is exactly the principle of a KNF pump, featuring digital customization. The pump's operating current can be limited to a process-optimized maximum at the factory. For example, if process-related power spikes and other system components are unavoidable, the maximum operating current of a KNF pump with digital customization can be adjusted to respond flexibly. In this example, an unforeseen disruption causes the operating current of a system component to rise. Both the flow rate and rotational speed of the KNF pump are automatically reduced. This ensures that the operating current does not exceed the default maximum value and the KNF pump continues to run despite having an operating current limit. The KNF pump thus makes an important contribution to the system's fail-safe operation and the achievement of overall targets. Tom is stuck in a traffic jam. He would still be late even if he took an alternative route. At this time, the only way for Tom to still arrive on time would be by helicopter. In a figurative sense, a KNF pump with digital customization provides exactly that. Thanks to the customized rotational speed control, a KNF pump always reaches the target flow rate, regardless of how the surrounding technical parameters change. For example, an empty container is to be brought to a desired target pressure of 200 millibar, absolute within 10 seconds. Under normal conditions, this target pressure is reached with a rotational speed of 500 revolutions per minute. If the system conditions change, for example, due to a blocked filter, the target pressure can no longer be reached with a rotational speed of 500 revolutions per minute within the set time. A KNF pump with digital customization can respond to the changing system's conditions and increase the rotational speed to 1200 revolutions per minute so that the target pressure can be reached within the set time. Digital customization can be applied to almost all KNF gas and liquid pumps. Tom is delighted. He now realizes that digital customization has even more benefits, such as energy efficiency, an extended service life, and low service life costs. And he gets all that even from a lot size of 1.